Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Another video for you, cooking show. How to cook moose bone. We're here by the river. It's March 20th. All right folks, the moose bone is done. Look at that, oh, very delicious. Well, Tristan Yelney and Alan Willis here with me. We're gonna, the kids are gonna slide up the hill here. We're gonna make a fire and show you how to cook moose bone. We got a few moose bones. We got a fire here. And we'll cook moose bone. Show you how, folks. Hope this video will be educational. Stay tuned. Alan's shopping. Hello, thank you, Alan. How are you doing today?
Good, tough.
Not bad. And you, Tristan, how are you doing today? Right on. What do you think of the view?
Pretty nice.
Yeah, I like it too, yeah. Here's the fire we got going. We put the grill on there. We're burning it off. We'll wire brush it. Yeah, we'll move it. Yeah. Okay, folks. We got our picnic table, and we'll show you the view, folks. There's the river. You see it's melting. Got some overflow and some old skidoo tracks. Old Town Meander. Few people live on that side. Chili dog. Thank you, Tristan. Whoa, look at that chili. Huh? Just put it the moose bone going on. Awesome. Yeah. Nice little cookout. Spring cookout. Moose bone on the menu and Sloppy Joe and Bannock. And they're sliding out there. We'll go check it out. Right down there. We'll go see the sliding hill. There's the river. Little bit of rain, spring rain. You having fun, Taylor? I mean, Tori? Okay, nice. All right, we'll go check out the sliding hill. Oh, we're going sliding, nice and warm. There's Tori. Taylor over there, and we'll see how it is sliding. We'll see how fast they go down the hill. We'll check it out. Yeah, we got the convoy ready. We're gonna get sledding. Hello guys. Hello folks. Hello kids. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go down and try going one by one before I head back to the camp cookout there. Okay, I'm coming down. Ready? Nice. Oh, cool. Oh, there's some more coming down. Nice. Oh. Watch out, move aside. Oh, cool. Yeah, keep on going, nice. See how far he goes. Oh, he's making it down. Oh, right there, watch out. Tori's backwards. Tristan. Yeah. Yeah. All right, folks. Whoa, try to make it all the way. Woohoo! He crashed. cool. Good job. Okay, come down. Little Nelson's coming down. Oh, this sleigh, this guy's pretty good. Whoa, he's fast. Just right for that sleigh. Goes high speed. Tristan Yelney coming down. Trying the circle sled. Try to go all the way. Steer yourself. He crashed. No, there he goes. Good job. Awesome. Oh, he's still going. He almost stopped. Yeah. Just trying to get them to go aside, not get hit on for the next sledder coming down. Fun, Tristan? Yeah. Awesome. They're tired from climbing the hill up and down. A sledder's coming. Watch out, buddy. Look, she'll go all the way. He's like, oh, there's Tara. Oh, it's crazy carpet. Oh, does he go all the way? Oh, cross right there. Okay, come down. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Oh, close call. Yeah, I get scared a little bit. Oh, he made it all the way. He makes it all the way down. Hello, Nelson. How are you today?
Pretty good.
Oh, nice. We're at the sliding hill. The kids are here. We're gonna log them. Oh, you're having fun?
Yeah, we went all the way down there.
Oh, nice. What's your name?
Blackened.
Oh, cool. Yeah. We'll go down and we'll watch the kids sliding. And yeah, you're going down too, Taylor? And your name again? Huh? Oh, yeah. And you two? What's you two name? And Taylor? Oh, okay. All right, we'll go down. We'll watch them. They're coming down. I'm down on the hill. Wow. I best stay on the side. Oh. Yeah. There are the kids.
Hey, no down.
You went all the way down, eh?
Yeah.
You're good at it. You keep yourself straight, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Use your hands to steer.
Oh my God.
Yeah, right there. I think you'll go faster. Taylor. Hey. Yeah. Nice. Good little hill. Sliding's good today. Yeah. Yeah, push. There you go. Now you're off too. You go try now. Yeah. There you go. There she goes. Watch out. Oh, that's a good sled. Goes fast. Alrighty. Continue on up the hill. There's Tori. There's Tori. Sydney there. Brother Sydney. Okay, the other kids are coming down. Tori's coming down. All the way down, Tori. Yeah, Tori made it up to there.
All the way down. This is too. I hurt my tummy a little bit.
Watch the other sledders coming down.
I'm gonna go get my own.
Come, stand aside, Taylor. Tori. All the way down, all the way down. Yeah, this is the fastest part of the hill. There's Tara. Try and make it all the way. Whoa, Tori, step aside. Oh, they're coming. Oh, there, you made it. Nice. All the way down. That was awesome, folks. All right, we're gonna head up the hill. I'm going back to have some sloppy joe out at the cookout there. All right, folks, the moose bone is done. Look at that. Oh, very delicious. Melt in your mouth. Look, the gut marrow. We broke it. It's best to cut it with a hacksaw. You cut it with a hacksaw and you break it, it'll be nice and clean cut. It won't be like that. Let's try some. We'll get it in moose bone here. Right there, some marrow. Look at that. Got some clean gloves. Right there, nice. Yeah. It's good. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's how you cook moose bone, folks. There, we got the fire. Oh, he's going. Oh, he goes fast. Little Nelson. On his side. Yeah, this hill's nice. Oh, he's gone down to the creek. He's gone fishing. Awesome.